So today we're here at the Reading Public Library. This is the main branch, and we're here for Rain Poetry, which is a wonderful program that we did in partnership with the Pennsylvania Humanities Council. Students across the Reading area worked on creating haikus about how they view their city of Reading, and particularly a focus was the topic of the colors of my city.
At the workshop, the kids are introduced to the concept of the haiku poetry. Here is the public unveiling of what that creativity gave birth to.
We learned how to do haikus, poems, and we learned that not all poems or haikus have to rhyme. We attended it because we thought it would be actually cool to see our poem every time we pass by here.
I just want to say this has been an amazing experience, and I know that poetry is that powerful that the kids can utilize it to not only find themselves, but to make change in their city.
Some of the poems are visible on the colored decals that you see sprinkled around, but others are hidden on the sidewalk and will only appear like magic when they are wet.
Pour the water, pour the water!
All right.
Though the sun is gone, your eyes still light up the sky like the stars up high.
Streets filled with art, our minds filled with color. Hope starts in this place.
Nature is vibrant. Our city is like art.
Si no puedes caminar ni correr, vuela al cielo que vas a ver el mejor país, RD.
The moonlight shines now. The city is beautiful. And the lights shine.